In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Trello. A checklist is perfect for breaking a task into smaller, trackable steps, so you always know what's done and what's left. Start by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your workspaces. From the home screen, head to your boards. This is where all your projects live. Choose the board you want to work in and open it. Remember, a board contains lists, and inside each list are cards. Cards represent individual tasks or topics, and that's where your checklist will live. Open the card where you want the checklist. This will bring up the card details view. On the right side of this view, you'll see the Add or Add to Card section. Click that to reveal options for enhancing the card. From the options, click Checklist. A small window will appear asking for a title. Give your checklist a clear, meaningful name so everyone knows what it covers. For example, you can type goals. Keeping titles short and specific makes them easier to find later. When you're happy with the title, click Add to create the checklist. You'll now see the checklist section added to your card with an empty field ready for your first item. Click Add an item to start filling it in. As a simple example, type house and lot, then click Add to save it to the list. Each item you add becomes a checkbox you can mark complete later. Continue adding more items the same way. Click Add, type car and confirm it, then click Add again and type businesses. You can add as many items as you need, and each one should be short and action-oriented so it's easy to check off. If you're organizing a bigger task, think in terms of clear deliverables rather than long sentences. As you add items, notice the progress indicator that appears at the top of the checklist. It updates automatically as you check things off, which makes it easy to see how close you are to completion at a glance. If you make a typo, you can edit any item in place. If you decide an item no longer belongs, removing it is just as straightforward. That's it. You've gone from opening Trello to your boards into a card and created a titled checklist with several example items. Use this same flow anytime you want to add structure to a task. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying organized with Trello checklists.